How to turn off tap to wake on iPhone. So the first step is by opening your settings app and then scroll down until you can see accessibility. So click on accessibility and scroll down again until you can see touch under physical and motor section right here. Click on touch, scroll down once again until you can see tap to wake right here. To turn it off, simply click on the toggle button on the rightmost part and then that should turn into gray and not green. So then you may lock your phone, try it once again, and then the tap to wake option has been disabled. So again, just to recap, go to accessibility, go to touch, scroll down and click on the toggle button on the rightmost part of tap to wake right here. So that's it. That's how you can turn off tap to wake on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.